Hello there, this is your friend, Dr. Anya Oko, housekeeper, Royalty Assembly International. It is my joy to come your way. We are at a very wonderful season in our life as a church. It's our 14th year anniversary. God has been so good. We're going to be celebrating this 14th anniversary in a grand style. Our theme for this event is Legacy. We're going to celebrate how far God has brought us and how far God is going to take us and the things that God will have us do. This Easter, from Thursday the 14th to Sunday the 17th of April 2022, we're going to have a grand event in our church, Royalty Assembly International, 62 Asa Road, Aba. It's going to be a grand event. We're going to be coming back from every corners of the earth. We're going to have word changers coming back together for a grand homecoming. We're going to have dance and celebration and singing and joy. It's going to be a wonderful event. So I want to invite you from wherever you are to come and see the goodness of God, how God is using us to impact our world and changing lives. You will not afford to miss this opportunity. So I want you to come around again, 14 to 17 April 2022. It's going to be a wonderful moment. Come and God bless you.